Today's video is brought to you by Oxido LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxido LED lighting, and here is some after Oxido LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxido LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. Today's episode, we are in Chanhassen, Minnesota for the Society of the Leadfoot, and they are having a little gathering of some spectacular cars today, and we're going to get right into it. But before we do, you guys know that routine. Please go ahead, hit that subscription button, the notification bell, leave a comment, a thumbs up, share, all that stuff. It is super helpful and very greatly appreciated. Alright, let's get in here and take a peek. That's gonna wrap things up for us here today. There was some really cool stuff. That Ferrari over here, super sick. Yeah, right over here, super sick. Love that thing. Well, that's gonna wrap things up for us here today. I hope you guys enjoyed. There was a lot of really cool stuff here, and it's a really small show. It's like one little bank parking lot, but they always have a turnout of some spectacularly rare and expensive cars, so always worth the turnout. So hope you guys enjoyed. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.